How to change email on Facebook account. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. You are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to the Settings and Privacy section. Then, tap on Settings. Go to Account Center and tap on See More. Now, scroll down to the Account Settings section. Go to Personal Details. Here, tap on Contact Info. Then, tap on Add New Contact at the bottom. Select Add Email Address. Enter the email address you want to add over here. And then, choose the account for this email address. After that, tap on Next below. Following these steps, you can easily change email on Facebook account. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.